What's good, everybody? It's your boy Corey. I know you're just excited as I am for the unboxing of the Branding Beyond Clippers Book 1, which is in this box. It was supposed to be here on the 7th. It came early, today being July 2nd. Shout out to Lulu for the early delivery, and I can't wait to unbox this workbook. Anyway, just a little behind the scenes. I recently pivoted from a general business consultant to a business development coach for Florida barbers, and to really ground my vision and my expectations for moving in this direction for my business. I went ahead and did a Barber Insights Survey where I talked to over 35 barbers, 11 shop owners in different parts of Orlando and Sanford, including Castleberry, Altamont, Winter Park, etc., just to really understand what does the local industry need. And I also attended a couple of events. You could check out me, follow me on Instagram to see more of what I'm talking about leading up to this big reveal. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I just got off work, so let's please excuse the tiredness in the voice. So I cheated a little bit and already cut it here because I didn't want to damage the book itself. But this is what we're looking at right here. Book 1, based on utilizing the insights of Branding Beyond Clippers is the concept here. This is book 1 of 2. And this is a matte finish from Lulu. I'll probably make a video later in the future on how to use Lulu to get prints and things. As you can see, it looks really, really good. These pages are fire. This particular book 1 focuses on the foundation, setting the foundation, the beginning stages of becoming a barber, certain things and what the expectations are, including reflection points here, as you can see. And I'm just really excited to distribute this. There's going to be a physical version, as I have in my hand, that I'll be selling, in addition to the ebook version. If someone wants to order that online, you can also order the book online to get a physical version as well, in addition to the electronic version of this book. So I'm really excited. It took me 2 months to really get all of this together. I'm not putting it back. It took me 2 months to really get all this together. I started in May, all of May doing the survey, all of June practically took to write and produce and publish the book with minor tweaks and enhancements using ChatGPT. But all of it is me. I got my notes. Check out my Instagram page so you can see the development and actual project process through the journey to get to this stage now. So I'll be posting more of my journey, a barber development vlog through YouTube, but this is the first video. That's the unboxing. So make sure you check out the Branding Beyond Clippers and follow me on Instagram for tips and insights on how I got to this part in my journey. All right. The book itself is $35 online and in person, and I look forward to you getting a copy and going from there. Peace.